तो आज हम स्टैटिस्टिकल साइंस का जो जेआरएफ है ना, एग्रीकल्चर स्टैटिस्टिक्स जेआरएफ का जो 2018 का 2018 का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे पहला क्वेश्चन है कि द टर्म जीन इज पॉइंट बाय दैट इज द आंसर, यू नो दैट द आंसर इज Johnson. Oriza sativa is a diploid species having the following number of chromosome numbers. This is the 2n is equals to 24. You all know that. Antenna is absent and absent in which order insect? That is the answer is Odonata, Isonura, Proteura, Coleoptera. This is the Proteura. Antenna is absent. Profit markup price is calculated as, that is the AC minus P, average cost minus profit. This is the profit markup price. The number of observations falling into each class is called plus frequency. Plus frequency. Which of the following is a discrete variable? Discrete variable is the option is height of the plant, number of the spikes, length of the leaves, age of the animals. This can be pointed, this can be point value, this can be point value, this can be point value, this can be discrete value. So option C is the right answer. Cumulative frequency is a must for the calculation of. Cumulative frequency is a must for the calculation of mean, median, mode, cumulative mean, median. In case of median, cumulative frequency is must because in case of median, we carve less than type and more than type graph, and well, this is the less than type cumulative frequency, and this is the more than type less than frequency. The cut point is the median. This is the median. Sorry, 1 minute. This point is the median. This point is median. So next question is, the property of change of origin and scale is satisfied only by properties of change of origin and scale. Origin and scale. Origin मतलब कि the point of origin मतलब this point can shift. This is the change of origin and this is the change of scale. You can see that it is the graph. Suppose it is the graph, and then change the graph to this. This is the change of scale. This is the change of scale, and this is the change. Sorry, this is the change of origin. This is the change of scale, and this is the change of scale and origin. Next question. Then the property of change of origin of scale is obtained by mean. If the values of set of observations in centimeter, the unit of variance is always centimeter square. Next question is, pick the odd one. So mouse, printer, scanner, keyboard. Okay, keyboard, scanner, mouse are all our input device. Printer is the output device. Printer is the answer. The error in computer program is called virus. Virus is the external thing. One power of bug. This is the called answer, bug. So this is the bug. So, CSS. Sorry. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet. It is answer. Binary नंबर ऑफ 125 125 को ऐसे करेंगे तो हो जाएगा आंसर। 125 को 2 करके मल्टीपल करेंगे, आंसर है, यू कैन सी द आंसर यहाँ पे, यू कैन सी द प्रोसेस 125 to 65, देन 1111 102 मतलब 111 111 22 1101, और 2 is a binary number. मतलब right answer is the last one is 01. This is the right answer. Okay. Next question is cause and effect relationship can be revealed by, that is the cause and effect relationship. It is revealed by regression probability of A union B. Then the event is said to be probability of A union B is equal to probability of A intersection. मतलब कि A intersection भी नहीं होगा. A is and this is B. A and this is B. So this mutually this uh, the event should be mutually exclusive. A union B is mutually exclusive and that can happen. मतलब कि DA is the correct answer. The characteristics of the population is called, population is the called is the characteristics. मतलब this is the answer is parameter. Population is parameter and sampling is the statistics. The standard deviation of sampling distribution of mean is called standard error of mean. First KVK established in 1974 in Pondicherry. The center of the circle is, center of the circle मतलब कि ये पे चार डिवाइड कर देंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 25/4, देन उसका सेंटर निकालेंगे. तो प्रोसेस आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे प्रोसेस देख सकते हो आप कि यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 4x² प्लस इसको हम सेंटर कर देंगे -2/2 एंड -3/2, मतलब 1, -1, -3/2. So nothing is the answer. Now no is the, it is the wrong answer. The wrong answer key. And the next thing is the operating system has the ability to run more than one application at a time. This is called is multitasking. It's called multitasking. Simply is the right answer. And next is APRANET. So APRANET is the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Insert a new slide. Control N. Control N. The process of starting a computer is known as booting. Which protocol is used by email client to? This is the answer is SMTP नहीं होगा क्योंकि मेल सेंड करने के लिए है. So answer is POP. POP full form is post office protocol. मैं पे लिख देता हूँ post office protocol. A and B are the two events. The probability of occurrence either A or B is given as, the right answer is the probability of either A or B. और मतलब plus probability of A, B two are independent event. Independent event से in case of independent event, probability of A intersection B equals to probability of A into B. Entire row of a Latin square design is column. The Latin square design is called 27 is the this is called orthogonal. Sorry. Dialysis are associated with wheel disease. Pink bollworm is a serious pest of cotton and mustard. This is the answer is cotton because pink bollworm, but bollworm attacks the ball of the cotton. The symmetric difference of A and B. Symmetric difference of A and B मतलब A box B, A delta B. So this is the answer is A minus B, A minus B, union B minus A, union B minus A, union B minus A. So the answer will be 30. Question number 30. The answer is A union B equals to A minus B, union B minus A. So A minus B मतलब A से B को बात दे देना है तो 1 and 2 union 5 and 6 1 3 sorry, 1 2 5 6. 1 2 5 and 6 is the right answer. 1 2 5 6 and option D is the right. Next question, who is the father of white revolution? Who is the father of white revolution? Father of white revolution is V. Curran is the father of white revolution. Famous animation green revolution. Harvinder Farana genetics এর জন্য. In case of genetics, Harvinder Farana. The removal of field heat from the cut flower is termed as this is called pre-cooling. Inflorescence of sugarcane is called arrow. The amino acid which is related to drought tolerance in plant, that is proline. That is called proline. The average age of 50 students is 20 years. The age of a teacher is included. The average age is increased 1 year. The age of the teacher is. So this is the easy question. 35. Question of 35, you can see that the average is 20 years. If the teacher is added and total number is 51, then age of the teacher is 71 years. So 71 years is the right answer. The relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean always greater than equals to geometric mean. Greater than equals to harmonic mean. Option 1 is the correct answer. Standard deviation, this is given 20 and sorry, this is 5. This is 5 and mean is 20. So 5 by 20. So that's the constant 5 is added to each observation. Then this is really 5 and standard deviation is independent of origin. So the correct answer is 5 by 25 into 100%. That is the answer. 37. You can see that 5 by 25 into 100%. 20% answer. 20% B answer. Quality of A is given. Quality of B is given. Quality of A intersection B is given. Then quality of B intersection A. Quality of B intersection A is equals to quality of B intersection is equals to probability of AB divided by probability of A. Matra probability of AB by probability of A. You can calculate the probability of AB from this equation. The 38 question answer is probability of A, probability B given. A slash B is given. Then you have say probability of AB can find the value. And the answer is 1 by 8. So two random variable is said to be independent in case two random variables are said to be independent if expectation of xy is equals to expectation of x into expectation of y and covariance is equals to 0. You know that when x and y are independent. Then next question is the covariance of xy, random variable x and y can be written in terms of, this is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. The point of inflection of the variable is equal to mu plus minus sigma, क्योंकि point of inflection in case of normal distribution is z is equals to 0, z is equals to 1, मतलब mu plus sigma and mu minus sigma यहाँ पे है, mu minus sigma, तो ये inflection point है, change of the slope. inflection point मतलब जिस point पे slope change होता है उस point को बोलता है कि inflection point. Then the distribution that consists of only rare event is known as, in case of rare event मतलब कि Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a limiting case of annual distribution when n tends to infinity, p tends to 0. Response variable is also known as uh, independent variable. इसमें मतलब कि y is equals to f of x. Sorry, y is equals to f of x. So यहाँ पे x is independent. X is independent. The term regression was coined by regression terms coined by Professor Francis Glanton. The correlation coefficient is independent of change of origin and scale, both origin and scale. क्योंकि R is equals to covariance by standard deviation of x, also covariance of standard deviation of x, covariance x comma y divided by standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, standard deviation of standard deviation independent of origin and covariance of independent of origin and scale can be suppose a is the scale and यहाँ पे a is the scale, a can cross, so r is the independent of origin and both scale. 47 is the correlation coefficient between two variables x and y is 0. It means x and y are two variables. The correlation coefficient when r is equals to 0, मतलब covariance of xy is equals to 0. That happens in case of when x and y are independent. Variance of x minus y is equals to variance of x plus y. Then what happened? मतलब कि variance of x minus y मतलब variance of x plus variance of y minus 2 covariance x comma y is equals to variance of x plus variance of y plus 2 covariance of x comma y. Covariance of x comma y. So 2 इधर जाएगा तो covariance equals to 0, मतलब correlation coefficient is always equals to 0. 49 question. This is the important question. The value of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. This is the formula of n into n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 by 2. You can see the answer. Okay. Basically, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is the n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 divided by n can cross, then n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next question is the difference between sample estimate and its corresponding population parameter is called sampling error. It's called sampling error. The power of a set is related to type 2 error. Contingency table may be multinomial. The sum of square of independent normal variate is known as sum of independent square. Sum of independent normal variate. नॉर्मल वेरिएट मतलब इस नॉर्मल वेरिएट इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. The significance of Z 5% and 1%. 5% is 1.96 and 1% is 2.58. 5% मतलब this is the normal curve and this is the 5%. This is the 1%. For large sample, T distribution tends to large sample. In case of all large sample, any distribution tends to normal distribution. We all know that. Next 56 question, that is which test is used in analysis of variance, that is analysis of variance. In case of analysis of variance, F test is used. एनोवा टेस्ट को बोलते हैं कि F टेस्ट, जो एनोवा टेस्ट है उसी को F टेस्ट बोलते हैं. F टेस्ट इज द रेशियो ऑफ chi1 square by mu1 by chi2 square by mu2. So F is equals to chi square by mu1 by chi2 square by mu2. mu1 and mu2 are the degrees of freedom of the F distribution. In 1-1 classification there are A classes and N observation. 1-1 classification मतलब कि CRD. 1-1 classification CRD मतलब कि यहाँ पे degrees of freedom होगा N-3. 58 number question, that in field experiment experimental errors is because of extraneous factor, replication difference, treatment difference, experimental errors. Extraneous factor. Experimental occurs due to extraneous factor or due to natural occurrence. So this option D is the right answer. 59 question, that is In split plot design, smaller error that is obtained for subplot. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, when different effects are confounded in different blocks, it is said to be partial confounding. Confounding one, the meaning of confounding means reducing the size of the block. Confounding का मतलब है reducing the size of the block. So its answer is partial confounding. In RBT consisting of 5 treatment and 6 replication added 2 more treatment, that is added with 2 more treatment, मतलब कि पहले 5 ट्रीटमेंट था, उसके बाद 6 रेप्लिकेशन था, उसके बाद 2 मोर ट्रीटमेंट ऐड किया, मतलब 2 ऐड हुआ. एरर डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम विल बी इंक्रीज इन एरर डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम विल बी. तो पहले था 4 इंटू 5, 5 चले पूरी 20, बाद में हुआ 6 इंटू 5 मतलब 30, तो इंक्रीज हुआ 10%. n minus 1 into r minus sorry n minus r minus 1 into k minus 1. Degrees of freedom formula is r minus 1 into k minus 1 in case of RBT. R is replication, k is treatment. For testing of equality more than 2 treatment, the test is equality is equality of more than 2 treatment. More than 2 treatment मतलब यहाँ पे f टेस्ट करेंगे. इसके बाद critical difference is a form of test. Its formula is critical difference is t into standard error. T into standard error. T into standard error. Option is the right answer. With more than 2 observations missing RCBD. RCBD मतलब randomized complete block design, मतलब RBD. So, randomized block design. The estimated technique is used is known as Bartlett missing for technique, Fisher missing for technique. दिस इज द आंसर इज बार्टलेट मिसिंग फॉर टेक्निक्स, मतलब कि कोई एक वैल्यू मिस हो जाए और 2 वैल्यू मोर देन 2 वैल्यू जब मिस हो जाएगा तो तब हम बार्टलेट्स मिसिंग फॉर टेक्निक यूज करते हैं. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन इज पॉजिटिव फॉर ऑल एक्स वैल्यूज, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोर व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज पॉजिटिव. So sin x is value is minus 1 to 1 and cos x value is पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज. cos साइन ये साइन नेगेटिव भी होगा, मतलब कि sin x इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव हाफ होगा तो भी cos x नेगेटिव पाई बाई 2 सपोज, then cos x will be positive. The straight line from a triangle which is straight line, 3 equations are given. So we plotted the graph in the graph. So 66 question number 66 is question, can we take x plus y is equals to 0. Here x plus y is equals to 0. 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x plus y is equals to 4 and 3x and x plus 3y is equals to 4. So the triangle is this is the triangle. This is the triangle. Sorry. This is the triangle. This will be the triangle. This will be a triangle. This is the triangle. This side and this side is same. So isoscale is the right answer. Okay, isoscale. If sin A is greater than 0, cos A is smaller than 0, A may be lying. Sin A is greater than 0. All sin. मतलब यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हो सकता है. And cos A is smaller than 0. Cos A is 0. Cos A is negative. All sin. ऑल साइन, यहाँ पे कॉस तो पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ नहीं होगा, यहाँ होगा कॉस चेक इम्पॉर्टेंट। tan 3x माइनस tan 2x माइनस tan 3x को tan 2x प्लस 1 से फॉर्मूला कर देंगे तो क्या होता है देखता हूँ। तो यहाँ पे देखो tan 3x को tan 2x प्लस x, tan 2x प्लस x बाई 1 माइनस tan 2x बाई प्लस tan 2x इंटू tan x। यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो tan 2x को कट हो जाएगा। तो उसके बाद क्या करेंगे 1 माइनस tan 2x को यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे tan 3x निकाल देंगे। तो आंसर इज tan x tan 2x tan 3x, tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x। Okay, if A is a set of U and there is an universal set, then A union is equals to also union. This is the right answer. The significance of multiple correlation coefficient is tested by significance of multiple correlation coefficient is tested by this is the answer is F test. Multiple correlation coefficient is tested by F test. ANOVA is a tool in which variation may be split up several physical assignable compounds defined by 71. This is given told by R. Fisher, father of statistics. R. Fisher is the who is the father of statistics. 72. During experimentation, we use some information and we want to get idea about these values. Which of the following techniques will be used for? This is a simple technique. What type of correlation can be used when both the variables are not normally distributed? What type of correlation can be used when both the variables are not normally distributed? This is rank correlation because normally distributed नहीं हुआ तो रैंक कोरिलेशन होगा। sin theta plus cos theta is equals to m sec theta समान n into m square minus m 1 sorry n into m square minus 1। सो यहाँ पे हो सकता है ओ तो 4 ही m है मगर ये आंसर भी गलत हुआ, आंसर क्वेश्चन भी रॉन्ग है। x plus y is equals to 8, xy is equals to 7, x3 minus y2 is equals to यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करके निकाल देंगे कि pq minus pq पहले यहाँ से निकाल दो कि एक्स और वाई का वैल्यू निकलना पड़ेगा, एक्स एंड वाई का इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू निकलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ फार्मूला होगा एक्स क्यू प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, ये फार्मूला होगा मगर गलती होगा। ठीक है, ये फार्मूला है तो एक्स एंड वाई इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू निकलना पड़ेगा। तो एक्स प्लस वाई गिवन है, so x minus y given x minus determine x minus y को गिवन कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला क्या होगा ये देख सकते हो, x minus y यहाँ से निकला है 36, x minus y 6 है, x plus y 8 है, कैलकुलेट करके निकला है कि x y निकल गया। ओके यहाँ पे टोटल स्क्वायर कर दिया, x plus y का स्क्वायर कर दिया तो x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस 7 और x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 6। थोड़ा गलती हुआ मेरा कि यहाँ पे x प्लस में x माइनस हो गया, x माइनस हो गया यहाँ पे x माइनस एक्स पी माइनस वाई के माइनस पी इंटू स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस स्क्वायर है, ये फॉर्मूला है। तो x माइनस वाई निकल गया और इसको यहाँ से निकल देंगे तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 342। 342 is the correct answer। 76 tan A plus sin A is equals to P, tan A minus sin A is equals to Q। The correct statement of the following is, इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, इसको स्क्वायर कर देंगे तो ई फॉर्म में लिखा सकते हैं उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे देखता हूँ क्या सॉल्व है। टाइम इसको सॉल्व कर दिया तो पी स्क्वायर निकल गया, साइन स्क्वायर बाई कॉस से निकल गया। तो यहाँ पे दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, उसके बाद साइन स्क्वायर ए बाई कॉस स्क्वायर का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया, उसके बाद पी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 4 रूट पी क्यू, ये आंसर आ गया। आंसर होगा पी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 4 पी क्यू, मतलब क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस पी स्क्वायर तो आंसर होगा। ये आंसर होगा। ओके, next question is the precision of an experiment with R application can be worked out by using the expression as question number 77. R by sigma square is the answer. Precision can be determined by R by sigma square. Number 17, if the result drawn from the ANOVA based on the transform data is the result from the ANOVA say data based on the transform data is same as the original data. Two basic principles followed in CRD. CRD में लोकल कंट्रोल नहीं होता, तो एप्लीकेशन होगा, रैंडमाइजेशन होगा। ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डाउट लग रहा है मुझे, ये क्वेश्चन भी छोड़ता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 टोटल क्लियरली नहीं मेंशन किया है। 81, the split plot experiment, the subfactor B is allotted to the split plot within blocks, between columns, between rows. This is the within blocks, क्योंकि split plot में within blocks होता है। 82, स्टीवेंसन स्कीम इज रिलेटेड टू स्टीवेंसन स्कीम, यहाँ पे एग्रोमेट्रियोलॉजी में यूज होता है, तो यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर प्रेशर ये मेजर करते हैं। तो सी डॉट बोर्ड इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर टर्मिनेशन हाइबिलिटी एंड ब्लेंडिंग। कौन सा होगा, हाइबिलिटी तो नहीं होगा, हाइबिलिटी होता है टेक्टोजिलियन टेस्ट से। ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ द सी डॉट बोर्ड इज ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर। Indicator plant of copper that wheat. D-leaf is base indicator plant within status of pineapple, क्योंकि pineapple का लीफ ऐसा होता है, मगर जब डी शेप का होता है, मतलब कि डी शेप का होता है, तब ये डिजीज का न्यूट्रिएंट का स्टेटस बताता है। Which of fruit is has the highest chromosome number? This is the mulberry. The mulberry, maximum number of varieties can be found in mulberry. Cricket ball is a sapota. 87. Who established the famous Lal Bagh Garden in Bangalore? This is the answer is King Hyder Ali. Critical is a intergeneric cross. Intergeneric cross, टू स्पीसीज के अंदर क्रॉस होता है, एक व्हीट और एक राई, एक व्हीट और एक राई, टू स्पीसीज में क्रॉस, इंटरजेनेरिक क्रॉस। Increase in the price of the commodity, increase in the price of the commodity, price जब increase होगा, price of the commodity, increase in the price of the commodity, प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी जब इंक्रीज होगा तब कम खरीदेंगे लोग, सो कार्ब विल बी दिस मूवमेंट ऑप्शन का फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट। यहाँ पे दिखा है कि Z1 Z2 Z3 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर Z1 mod Z1 mod Z2 mod Z3 1 by Z1 1 by Z2 1 by Z3 equals to then mod z1 mod z1 plus z2 plus z3 is equals to 1. Then 92 number question, that is a is given, b is given, the value of a square is equals to b square निकालेंगे. इसके बाद सपोज यहाँ पे मैं देखता हूँ 92 नंबर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 92, that is a है, b है, square is b square plus 0 square a plus 1 1. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि a square is equals to 1, alpha square is equals to 1 and alpha square is alpha plus 1 is equals to 5. So two values आ रहा है, मगर इसके लिए no real values. Alpha q is equals to 125. So the value of alpha will be alpha q is determinant of alpha q is equals to 125. So ये भी क्वेश्चन देखते हैं कि अल्फा ए इज गिवन, अल्फा नोट ऑफ अल्फा क्यूब इज 125, अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 4 का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 125. यहाँ पे अल्फा आ रहा है प्लस माइनस 3, तो प्लस माइनस 3 का आंसर. cos 2x माइनस 1 बाई cos 2x प्लस 1, ये फॉर्मूला है tan स्क्वायर x माइनस tan स्क्वायर x, इंटीग्रेशन माइनस tan स्क्वायर x का फॉर्मूला है ये. tan स्क्वायर x को करेंगे sec स्क्वायर x माइनस 1, सॉरी सिक्स स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 1, उसके बाद इंटीग्रेशन कर देंगे तो tan x माइनस एक्स माइनस tan x हो जाएगा, x माइनस tan x आंसर हो जाएगा. प्लस सी देना पड़ता होता. यहाँ पे न्यूटन्स फार्मूला फॉर 4 प्लेसेस, ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मैं कैलकुलेटर से आंसर कर दिया. ये आंसर होगा 2.1544, सॉरी 2.1544. Simpson one third rule, shape of the 96, shape of the parabola, this is the parabola, division of x dx a to b, this is the equation of the parabola. Question number 97, it is यहाँ से 3 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो 8/3 आ जाएगा, 8/3. उसके बाद 3 से मल्टीपल करेंगे तो आ जाएगा कि इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा, कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. 3 प्लस 8 तीनों सम कर दिए, R1 R2 R3 सम करके हुआ 3 + 2 कॉमन ले लिया, उसके बाद 1 से माइनस किया, उसके बाद यहाँ से यह माइनस किया, यहाँ से यह माइनस किया, यहाँ 0 0 0 आ गया. 3x माइनस 2, 3x माइनस 2 कॉमन है, 3x माइनस 11 का होल स्क्वायर, 3x माइनस 2 इसलिए 2/3, इसका मतलब है 2/3. From this matrix equation A is equals to B, we can conclude B is equals to C. Provide the matrix A is always non-singular matrix होगा. 99 question is the diagonal matrix. देख के ही पता चल रहा है. Because C matrix A B test मतलब A B transpose can be defined, मतलब B transpose होगा 4 cos थीटा, B होगा 3 cos 4 का, A union B intersection B complement, A union B intersection B complement, A union B पूरा टोटल होगा इंटरसेक्शन B complement. मतलब कि A माइनस B होगा आंसर, A माइनस B आंसर होगा. अगर यहाँ पे तो A माइनस B नहीं है तो A माइनस B करता हूँ. A state contains n elements, the power state contains 2 to the power n elements. The number of elements A cross B intersection B cross A. A cross B intersection B cross C. A cross B मतलब A cross B intersection B cross C मतलब कॉमन एलिमेंट्स में मतलब कि नंबर ऑफ कॉमन एलिमेंट्स 1 1 नहीं होगा, 2 2 होगा, 3 3 होगा, 2 3 होगा, 2 3 होगा, 3 2 होगा, मतलब 1 2 3 4 4 नंबर 104. A and B are two sets having 3 and 5 elements, respectively, having 2 elements in common. The number of elements A cross B, A में 3 elements हैं, B में 5 elements हैं. Total number of elements will be 3 into 5 plus 5 into 4 elements total. Which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? That is right indent, tab, stop box, left indent, and center indent. Center indent is not available. In computer system, the result of data processing can be reported through output unit, output device. Which of the following is a basic data type? That is character. A programming methodology used. ये होगा आउटपुट यूनिट, ये होगा कैरेक्टर, a programming methodology used with internet, that is HTML programming होगा, hypertext markup language, modernist, modulator, demodulator, web browser is a software that tool that computer uses for communication with the server of the internet. ये होगा ISDN मतलब कि integrated services digital network, integrated services digital network. URL stavy.com, the domain name is stavy. Stavy is the domain name. Cookies means messages that a web browser transmit to web server, web browser. Probability value can take value from 0 to 1. Two events are said to be independent if two events are said to be independent if one outcome has equivalent chance. No, this is not the right answer. There's nothing common in between them. No, one does not affect the occurrence of other. This is the correct answer. The definition of the priority probability was given originally developed by this is Laplace. A is an event. The conditional probability of A given A is equal to conditional probability of A given A is equals to indeterminate quantity कारण क्योंकि A ही given है आप कुछ नहीं बोला तो indeterminate quantity. The level of significance is the probability of type 1 error. Size of the critical region is known as critical region known as critical value of the test statistics. Degrees of freedom is related to number of independent observation units. मतलब n number independent है तो n minus 1 होगा freedom degree of freedom. Student retest Gaussian, WG Gaussian, WS Gaussian. 120 number question, 22 number question, that is to test mu is equals to mu 0, h0 calculation appropriate standard deviation is known मतलब कि z test होगा मतलब variance is known, variance जाना होगा तो variance पता होगा तो z test करेंगे. The mean difference between 9 pair of observation is 15. Standard deviation is 5. The value of these statistics is equal to x1 minus x bar. Standard deviation 9 pair. 9 pair मतलब कि 15 mean difference 15 value 15 बता दिया divided by 9 pair of observation. Standard deviation is 5 मतलब 5 स्क्वायर 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 9, टोटल आंसर होगा 3। 9 9 आंसर होगा। डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम इन केस ऑफ काई स्क्वायर मतलब कि 2/2 कॉन्टिजेंसी टेबल है तो 1 into 1 मतलब 1 होगा। The value of coefficient of contingency is lies between 0 to 1. All frequencies are of class are same. The value of chi-square. Chi-square का मतलब है कि y minus ei observed as expected the square divided by ei. So observed और expected दोनों equal होगा तो ये 0 हो जाएगा ना। Range of variation variance ratio of f का रेंज कितना होगा, f का रेंज कितना होगा, f का रेंज कितना होगा और ऑब्वियसली 0 to infinity होगा कारण क्योंकि काई स्क्वायर का एक मतलब ही काई स्क्वायर है, काई स्क्वायर का रेशियो। तो काई स्क्वायर जैसे कि 0 to infinity होता है तो f भी 0 से infinity होगा। Complete randomized design also known as CRD is also known as नॉन रेस्ट्रिक्शनल डिजाइन क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, ब्लॉकिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है। मिसिंग ऑब्जर्वेशन इन कम्प्लीटली रैंडमाइज्ड डिजाइन is to be estimated. Error sound square in RBD as compared to same material is RBD is always less होगा क्योंकि CRD से RBD हुआ तो error तो less होगा ही। Distribution has mean given mode is given, the distribution is mean median mode सबसे ज्यादा है mean सबसे ज्यादा है मतलब mean ज्यादा है सॉरी mean ज्यादा है मतलब ऐसा mean यहाँ पे median यहाँ पे median यहाँ पे मतलब positively skewed distribution उनका correlation correlation मतलब कि K3 minus K1 by 2 K3 minus K1 by 2 को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा मतलब कि n by 4 n by 4 टोटल 12 है 12 by 4 and 3 थर्ड नंबर 3 into 9th number minus third number divided by 2 so answer is 9th number minus सॉरी यहाँ पे ओ अच्छा तो यहाँ पे 2 नंबर होगा क्योंकि 12 है 12 नंबर है इसलिए 2 नंबर हो गए +1 एंड +1 in third number and fourth number का एवरेज एंड 9th नंबर एंड 10th नंबर का एवरेज लेके उसके बाद करेंगे। सो यहाँ पे आंसर है 5.5 5.5 इज द राइट आंसर। Which of the expression is between those two? Admitting having jointing square to the set of it. Eighth of one. This is not the right answer. One times this is also true because arithmetic mean always better than equals. Equals to is not given. So equal is not given, but it can be to work on. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं स्किप कर देते हैं। The geometry mean 1 2 4 8 to the power n मतलब to the power n by 2 to the power n to the power होगा देखना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे है 2 to the 0 to the 1 to the power 2 to the 0 to the 1 0 to the 1 so to the square to the cube so 0 total होगा 2 to the power n into n plus 1 by 2 to the power 1 by n so n का multiplication है 2 to n plus 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 n plus none of this 135 mean is given median mean of this will be यही होगा the number of frequency total frequency प्लस कर देंगे तो total frequency निकल जाएगा 3 into x plus 5 into x plus 4 plus 7 into x plus 3 plus 4 into x plus n divided by x plus 4 plus x plus 3 plus x plus n is equals to 4 यहाँ पे x निकाल सकता है तो यहाँ पे x कितना निकला देखता हूँ यहाँ पे x आ रहा है 5/3 so 5/3 इस तरह का आंसर x part denotes the x1 x2 x3 mean of the values mean मतलब कि 1 by n summation xi plus 2i so xi होगा mean तो n होगा x bar mean plus 2i मतलब कि 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus होगा तो n into n plus 1 by 2 n 2 to मतलब x bar plus n plus 1 मतलब t is the right answer. Median is 75 plus 25 by 2 मतलब 75 70 plus 30 मतलब 50 is the right answer. And high speed learning divisions even approximately equal to standard deviation. Standard deviation and mean deviation equals to mean deviation into 2 by 5. ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मिल जाएगा 7.8 2 by 5 करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 6.8 ऑप्शन होगा नॉन ऑफ दिस कोई बात नहीं 1.0 standard deviation is sigma variance is given standard deviation of u standard deviation is depend on only scale मतलब a by c mod होगा क्योंकि रूट होता है रूट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मतलब रूट ऑफ वेरिएंस इनटू c ये आंसर 141 का variables of x and y have zero means same variance have correlation बहुत critical question आ गया variables x and y have zero means same variance sigma square and zero correlation then u equals to is given and v is given so correlation have correlation u and v का correlation क्या होगा यहाँ पे कोवेरिएंस का फार्मूला एक फार्मूला होता है तो फार्मूला लिख दिया है कोई बात नहीं आर इक्वल्स टू बी कोवेरिएंस ऑफ एक्स cos alpha plus y sin alpha x sin alpha minus y cos alpha divided by variance of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha variance of x sin alpha minus y cos alpha पूरा करो क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन होता है तो पहला वाला ही करता हूँ कि कोवेरिएंस ऑफ x cos alpha y sin alpha मतलब ये होगा वेरिएंस ऑफ x cos alpha sin alpha variance of x, cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha, sorry, minus cos alpha sin alpha variance of y प्लस cos alpha, ऐसे करके यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगा 0। टोटल ऊपर वाला पार्ट 0 हो जाएगा तो ऊपर वाला पार्ट 0 हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा। correlation between x and a minus x, ये भी देखता हूँ कि covariance of x from a minus x, then covariance of a minus x का minus covariance of x minus x, तो -1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 to -1 हो जाएगा। पहले वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या होगा? 0। 150 का आंसर क्या होगा? रिग्रेशन लाइन y समान x plus b, x समान alpha y plus beta. So y bar is equals to a x bar plus b, x bar is equals to a y bar plus beta. b by beta तो क्या होगा देखता हूँ। b by beta कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो x bar is equals to y bar, ये भी सेम क्या है। इसके बाद यहाँ से बीटा बी निकला है, यहाँ पे बीटा किया है, उसके बाद बी बाई बीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई ए डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस अल्फा, 1 माइनस ए डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस, सॉरी आंसर होगा ये। x and y are two independent variables, sigma square x is equal to this and sigma square y is equal to this. Correlation coefficient between this and this. So in case of this and this, covariance of u को अभी निकालना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ u निकालना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ v निकालना पड़ेगा। देखते हैं क्या है। sigma square x given covariance of u, expectation of u minus u bar v minus v bar into, इससे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो आ गया सिग्मा स्क्वायर एक्स इंटू सिग्मा स्क्वायर वाई, लास्ट में देख सकते हो वेरिएंस ऑफ u इक्वल्स टू वेरिएंस ऑफ x प्लस वाई, मतलब यहाँ पे वेरिएंस ऑफ x प्लस वाई क्योंकि x एंड y इंडिपेंडेंट है तो इसमें वेरिएंस ऑफ x प्लस वेरिएंस ऑफ y होगा, जो रहेगा correlation of covariance of u equal 36 minus 16 by 36 by plus 1 16, so 20 by 52 मतलब 5 by 30, 5 by 13 is the right answer, so option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Option A, 5 by 13 option is the right answer. Which of the following is the sequence alignment tool? Sequence alignment tool is the blast is the sequence alignment tool. Each record metadata is called each record database is called record. Each nucleic acid sequence and CPR and LCR in synapse center battery moving information USMA है, डॉटर मार्जिन इसका मार्जिन प्रिंट आउट के समय जब मार्जिन छोड़ देता है पेज से वो इसको कहता है डॉटर मार्जिन, तो यह है option B is correct answer. Margin that is added to the binding side of a page when printing. Landscape means पेज ओरिएंटेशन, पेज लैंडस्केप में होगा या फिर किसमें होगा, वो पेज ओरिएंटेशन है। बैकग्राउंड कलर ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट इज नॉट विजिबल, प्रिंट लेआउट, प्रिंट प्रीव्यू या फिर प्रिंट लेआउट, कंफ्यूजन होगा तो प्रिंट लेआउट नहीं, प्रिंट व्यू में होगा, प्रिंट व्यू। algorithm algorithm is the step by step solving problems. Flowchart is diagrammatic representation. Flowchart is diagrammatic representation of algorithm. Program is set of sequence of instruction. Decision making is capability of the operating system to take logical actions within a मतलब loading of operating system. Unix is the operating system. Graphical user, graphical operating system. Compiler is compiler converts higher level language to low level language. Windows is graphical user system operating system, मतलब Unix होगा operating system, Unix होगा operating system, and Access होगा electronic spreadsheet. Access होगा electronic spreadsheet. तो अलग अलग से करता हूँ. Windows होगा Windows होगा graphical user operating system. Access होगा electronic spreadsheet system, and Unix होगा operating system. Excel होगा database management system. sorry ये नहीं होगा. Access होगा database management system. Excel होगा electronic spreadsheet. electronic spreadsheet. spreadsheet and Unix होगा operating system. अब फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है कि if test is a test, normal test, normal से test मतलब aspect test, aspect test independent of activates. This is the right answer. Test, small sample test, test, normal is large sample test. No. Number 3, normal test is large sample test. Normal is large sample test. If test is test of two variants, and the test is height of the planes. कुछ गलत हो गया है, लगता है कुछ गलत हुआ है. चल normal test is test here. Z test is test of two variants, and Z test is height of the planes. मतलब 1D 2 3 4 1 5B. Windows is 154. Windows is the operating system. Assertions sure. PowerPoint is a presentation tool. Local area network architecture. Basic info option. Register is used to intermediate data instruction. Binomial का NP NPQ होगा. Poisson होगा. Poisson का मीन वेरिएंट सेम होता है, तो ये होगा नॉर्मल म्यू सिग्मा स्क्वायर. नॉर्मल होगा म्यू सिग्मा स्क्वायर, एंड स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल इज 0 1 का स्क्वायर होगी n to n. Next question is 156. Geometric mean of two observations can be calculated by only 156. So data ratio is a percentage. Ratio and percentage geometry होगा, and geometry means better than other means. It's, other means because geometry means both observations are positive. Okay. A unitless measure of dispersion is coefficient of variation. Mean deviation of mean deviation is minimum. Minimum. Median sum square होगा mean. Square of mean. ठीक है. 4 का 5 का C, 4 का E, 3 का D, 2 का B, 1 का A. 57, 58. दो क्वेश्चन बाकी है. अच्छा, बाद में है. ठीक है. The hypothesis under test is called null hypothesis. Power of the test is related to type 2 error. Hypothesis about proportion of items in a class usually tested by hypothesis that population variance has specific value can be tested by 4 का होगा z test, analyzer variance replaces f test, and ये होगा बाकी जो है 3 का होगा b, 3 का b, 2 का a का c, 1 का c, 4 का e, 5 का d. 158 number question. Beta 0 is the intercept of the line. Same sign and same sign is the same sign is called property is called negative property when beta is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 1. Beta xy is equals to less than equals to 1 and beta y is greater than equals to 1. Then it's called negative property. Property of beta x yx and beta xy and p have same sign is called signature property. If the two lines of equations are perpendicular to each other, then beta beta y is negative of beta xy. Next is a resonance of coincidence. Then beta yx into beta xy is equals to 1. 59 है क्या? Oh, 59 है. 59, 56 इसके बाद 59 and 56. So 59 question. Matrix is usually written as 1 with main diagonal by 0 8 square. 1 मतलब identity matrix. Matrix when P multiplied against A means the identical matrix is the identical matrix is identical matrix is inverse matrix whose determinant is 0 symmetric matrix. Classical matrix used in like lesser matrix which is equal to 1 transpose. Source of sorry, आज का B होगा. पाँच का होगा B, मतलब 5 होगा B. इस क्लासिकल मैट्रिक्स A होगा E, वो होगा E, and the matrix whose determinant is 0, that is singular matrix. Once is 0, 1 का B. Standard deviation values given, so it's called bias. So bias means precision. The difference values which given function data takes on comparative noise population दिस इज होगा सैंपलिंग वेरिएबिलिटी, मीन का होगा measure how close an estimate is expected to the value of the true value of the band score. Standard E which next code is the terminology is referred to how far average drive life is estimating is called. It is called चार का भी होगा सॉरी चार हो गया स्टैंडर्ड एरर पांच का स्टैटिस्टिक्स चार चार का होगा बी पांच का होगा ए पांच का होगा सॉरी पांच का होगा ए 130 बाकी है तीन और बचा तीन स्टेट बैंक कर देता हूँ इसको मेजर ऑफ फोर्स which goes समझते हैं इसको बस ओके हाँ इस तक ही था कुछ नहीं